Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at the RGB strips from this company. I don't know how to pronounce it. The reviews are kind of funny. I did already unbox this. This is a re-recording. And this is my thoughts after hanging them up and testing them out and stuff. Overall thoughts, these are the worst RGB strips I've ever tried. They're overpriced. The stickiness is terrible. It brings me back terrible memories when I had RGB strips like 5-6 years ago, when this is literally 5-6-year-old tech basically, and they're selling it for 26 bucks. I mean, I'm gonna unbox it. It comes with the user manual, this IR receiver, which is old because it still has the not even 360 degree, this super old Chinese plastic. You have the first generation 44 key remote. It's not even a custom build. So yeah. And then you have the RGB strips themselves. These are 3528 type beads, which I'll get to that in a minute, but it's super old tech. It's 50/50 type beads, which basically means that these beads, there's one for red, one for green, and one for blue. It's not one little bead right here and they have 3 red, green, and blue, and they make all the colors. The red and blue turn on, the red and green turn on, and it's kind of annoying. Super old tech. I haven't seen 3528 RGB strips in years. I'm telling you now. So let's go ahead and hook this up. But after I've seen the quality and stuff like that, I honestly don't want them. They offered me 20 units for free. I don't know, maybe they thought they would get a better review if they were 20. I bought 3 instead. I already used one. This is a brand new kit. And then I have another one in the trash currently. But yeah, I don't know if I want to return them. But don't give this seller any revenue off of these strips. I know they have string lights, which are actually pretty decent. I forgot I broke the other remote, but let's see. So as you can see, red, green, blue, they're different beads. Watch, this bead right here will never turn on if I press green. See, just switched. And then red, so as you can see, they're different beads. And then when you press white, it's a mixture of all of them at certain brightnesses. Orange makes red and green and certain brightnesses, as you can see, which is terrible. This is super old technology. I don't know why they're selling it for a super high price. Break another pair because I don't really want to, but I was gonna give them away, but I'm lucky enough to try them. I'll have that clip rolling right now, and see you guys in the next one. Alright, so I hooked them up. I was really excited. Old technology. They fall down, so don't buy these lights. These lights are garbage. That was a waste of time. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure this is just a reseller and they have tons of these. I bought 3 of them because I was trying to make them go all around the room, but they don't even stick to it. But so yeah, so these are garbage. I'm throwing them away. And I also was gonna do a giveaway of these, but I don't think it's worthy enough to be given away because it's just garbage. So I'm probably gonna just return them or sell them or throw them away. I don't know, they're garbage though. Don't buy them. I'm not even gonna post a link. If you want to see a better video of better RGB strips, I'll leave a link in the description. Thank you for watching. And the only thing that is useful is the battery. This is the only thing that they didn't make and isn't cheap. Tried to peel off the plastic and it bent in. This is garbage.